Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope your day is going good. All right, remember we are in the series of solving past questions, past examination questions, precisely common entrance examination questions. Let's look at this one. This one says, if 2 open bracket 3 plus q is equal to 18, find the value of q. If 2 open bracket 3 plus q is equal to 18, sorry, let me take it again. 2 open bracket 3 plus q close bracket is equal to 18. Find the value of q. This is very easy. This is what we'll do. I'll write out the equation. It is 2 open bracket 3 plus q close bracket is equal to 18. This is a question in algebra. The first thing we do is we open this bracket. We open this bracket by multiplying everything in this bracket by 2. This 2. So we have 2 times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6 plus this plus 2 times q is 2q. Okay, which is still equal to 18. Okay, the next thing we do is, sorry, let me remove this equal to because you cannot have two equality signs in one equation. So the next thing we do is collect like terms. This is a whole number, this is a whole number. So we'll make them to be on the same side of the equality sign. That means this 6 we move over to meet 18 on this side. So we're going to have, if 6 moves, remember the rules in algebra, the sign will change. This is a positive 6. When it moves over to this side, it becomes a negative 6. So we're going to have on this side 2q equal to 18 minus 6. All right? So 2q is equal to 18 minus 6, that's 12. Okay? The next thing we do is remove the coefficient of q, following the rules. So since 2 is multiplying q, we use a division to remove it. All right? So 2 is going to divide the both sides of the equation. Okay? This 2 can cross this 2. You have only q on this side. So we're going to have q on this side. And 2 here is 1. 2 here is 6. So q is simply 6. All right? The question says find the value of q. So the value of q is 6. All right? So remember, an equation has to be balanced. So let's try putting 6 in place of q in the question. So if we have 6 here, we're going to have everything in the bracket to be 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 2 times that 9 you got will give you 18. Okay? That tells you that your answer is correct. I hope you understand. Okay, here's another one. This one says, what is the simple interest on 500 naira for 5 years at 5% per annum? What is the simple interest on 500 naira for 5 years at 5% per annum? All right, this is very, very simple, but there's a formula you use to solve it. Just follow me gradually, you will understand. Now, this is a formula that is used to solve this question. We use this formula. I is equal to PRT all over 100. I equal to PRT all over 100. I'm going to explain what each of these abbreviations mean. All right. I here means interest. That's the simple interest. I here means simple interest. P here means principal. P here means what? Principal. And principal is 500 naira. R here means rate. R means rate. Rate is always in percent. Then T here means time. Time is in years or months. Okay? So, over 100. So, this means that to find your simple interest, you say simple interest is simply principal multiplied by the rate and multiplied by the time, all divided by 100. That's how you get your simple interest. Okay, let's get to solving it. Okay, so principal, remember P stands for principal, and our principal is 500. So we have 500 times rate. Rate is 5%. So that's 5 times time is 5 years, all over 100. Okay, so we go ahead to multiply 500 times 5. So 500 times 5 will give us 2,500. 500 times 5 will give us 2,500. And 2,500 times 5 will give us 12,500. So this, the numerators will give 12,500. Okay? Still all over this 100. Alright, so 0 can cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. We're left with 125 on top over 1. And any number divided by 1, of course, you know it remains the same number. It remains the same number. So our interest, simple interest, on 500 naira for 5 years at 5% per annum. Per annum means per year. So at 5% per annum is 125 naira. This simply means if you save 500 naira for 5 years at this rate, if it's the same condition in a bank, you're likely to get an interest of 125 naira, which means at the end of 5 years, if you check your account, you're going to have 500 plus 125 naira. That gives you 625 naira in total. I hope you understand. Okay, guys, here is this one. This one says, if 500 oranges were shared among Taiwo, Kehinde, and Musa in the ratio of 3:3:4, respectively, what is Musa's share? 500 oranges shared among 3 people. The first person is Taiwo, second person Kehinde, third person Musa, in the ratio of 3:3 and 4. What is Musa's share? Remember, guys, this is not the number of oranges they got, but the number of shares they got. So we're going to be working towards finding the actual number of oranges each of them got. Now, the first thing you have to know is the names goes with the position of these numbers. If you get that clear, then it's going to be easy for you to solve. All right, so the first person is Taiwo. Second person is Kehinde. And third person is Musa. So this means that Taiwo got 3 shares, Kehinde got 3 shares, and Musa got 4 shares. Now, having known this, the next thing to do is add all the shares together. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. It means that those 500 oranges were divided into 10 different places. Okay, it was divided into 10 different places. And Taiwo came and picked 3 places. We don't know how many oranges is in one share. So Taiwo came and picked 3 shares. Kehinde also picked 3 shares. Musa came and picked 4 shares. The question says we should find how many oranges actually that Musa has. With this method, so we'll be able to find how many that Taiwo Kehinde got. Are you ready? All right, we're going to add the 3 of these shares together. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 4, and that gives us 10. Okay, so the oranges were shared into 10 different groups. Now, we're going to use this 10 to divide this 500, which is total number of oranges. So we're going to have 500 divided by 10. What we're trying to achieve is to get the number of oranges in one share. So 500 divided by 10, 0 cancels 0. 50 divided by 1 is 50. So it means that in each share, there are 50 oranges. So 50, 50, 50, heap of 50 oranges. Okay? They count 1 to 50 of oranges. They heap it, that's one share. 1 to 50 again, they heap it, that's one share. So they did that until they got up to 10 different heaps of oranges. Okay? So having known that, which means that Taiwo will come and pack 3 heaps of 50 oranges. So that's 3 times 50. All right, that gives 150. Also, Kehinde did the same. Packed 3 heaps of 50 oranges. So 3 times 50, that's 152. 150 also, right? Now, I want to concentrate on Musa because the question says, what is Musa's share? Okay, so Musa will get, since 1 heap is 50, he came and packed 4 shares. All right, 4 shares. So Musa will get Musa's share is equal to 4, which is a share, times 50, which is the number of oranges in one share. So 4 times 50 is simply 200 oranges. So this answers the question. How many oranges? What is Musa's share? Musa's share is 200 oranges because he packed 50 shares. Sorry, 4 shares of 50 oranges. I hope you understand. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, and the case may be. Wherever you see me, or whichever platform you see me on the social media, do any of the following: like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you.